Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Shopify, how to create a store on Shopify for personal finance, spreadsheets, businesses and quick. So first of all, type Shopify on the search. So as we know, Shopify is a tool for making online stores. It helps people sell things on the internet by creating a website where they can display and sell their products. So first of all, enter here your email address and start free trial. Now you can skip all this if you want, so I'm gonna skip this and let's continue. Choose an account. So now you can wait a few seconds for building this store. So the first thing you have to do, you go to the online stores and go to the themes. So here you can choose whatever you want from the themes. Just click add and wait to install the themes. After this you can publish it and customize it on your homepage. So uh, let's go. Now it will take you to your homepage store. So this is your store right now. Here the settings where you can do if you want to change the style of your homepage, you can make it like a desktop style or like a mobile style or like a full screen style. So that's it. I'm gonna just keep it like this. Here this is the settings where you can design your site, your store. So here we have first we have the header, the announcement bar. Here you can change the color scheme, you can show separator line, you can show icons on desktop. Also you can auto rotate announcements. If you want to enable country and region selector, you can enable language selector. So that's it. Let's move on to the announcements. Here you can change the text. You can also pass the link or search for something. For example, I'm gonna select all collections. Now let's move on to the header. So here you can change the desktop logo position. You can change the main menu or remove it if you want. You can change the desktop menu type or the sticky header. Here if you want to change the color scheme and the menu color scheme. Here you can edit the mobile layout. You can edit the spacing and the section padding, the top and the bottom. So that's it. You can edit the theme settings here if you want to enable search suggestions. So here you can put your social media links, your Twitter link or Facebook or Pinterest or Instagram or whatever you want to add here. Now let's move on to the logo. So you have to add your logo from your library. So for example, let's search on logo on the browser. Personal finance, personal finance and spreadsheets. So for example, just for example this, of course you have to upload it from your library. So this is your logo right now. You can edit it at any time. You can change the vertical offset. You can also change the desktop logo width. So that's it. Now let's get back. Let's move on to the next section, the image banner. So here you have two images. If you want to add the first image and the second image, let's select something from the browser from here. For example, I'm gonna choose this. Here if you want to add the second image, you can edit the overlay opacity, the image overlay opacity. You can edit the banner height. If you want to delete some sections, just select the section and click here remove section and it will be deleted. Here you can change the desktop content position. You can show container on desktop. You can edit the desktop content alignments, also the color scheme. You can edit the animation section, the mobile layout, the mobile content alignments. You can turn this on, stack image on mobile and show container on mobile. So that's it. Now let's get back and let's move on to the heading. So here you can generate the text, just describe what this text is about, personal finance and finance worksheets or spreadsheets. You can change the heading size here. So let's get back and let's move on to the buttons. So here you can change the first button label, the first button link. Also you can use outline button style. If you already added the second image, here you can add the second button label and the second button link. So you can use outline button style if you add the second image. So that's it. Let's move on to the future collection section. So here generate the text. Description, also you can generate here the description. Show collection description from the admin. You can change the description style. You can change the collection or create your own collection. Here you can make product full width. You can enable view all if collection has more product than shown. You can enable carousel on desktop. You can change the product card. Here you can show second image on hover. You can also show vendor. You can show product region. You can enable quick add button, and you can enable swipe on mobile. So that's it. If you want to add something new on your homepage, click here and select what kind of section you want to add on your homepage as you like. Now let's move on to the last section of the website, the footer section. So this is the footer section. You can change the color scheme. You can show email sign up. Here you can generate the heading. You can enable follow on shop. You can show social media icons, and that's it. Now after you're done from designing your website, you can save this, and after you're done from customizing your website, you can go to the dashboard and name your store. After you import your first product, customize your online store, add the custom domain and add the sharing details. Now you can name your store. So here you can add your store phone. You can also change your store email, and that's it. Now let's move on to the last section, the last step on this editing or customizing your store is launch your online store and publish it. You can pick a plan. So for pick a plan, you can set up a payment provider or set up your shipping rates. After this, you can remove your store password. So that's it for today. That's how to customize your personal finance spreadsheets business on your store on Shopify, easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end and see you in the next video.